Hello people, I'm going to see if I can do a quick leftover makeover video with my husband blasting the music in the living room, and I apologize. I may not put this up because of that. So what I have is some leftover rotisserie chicken. I cut all the meat off, and I'm going to make some Thai stir-fry rice. So I have my rice, and I bought some stir-fry vegetables at the grocery store, some cucumber and green onion. I need to turn off the rice cooker. So I'm going to add some oil, and I'm going to get some soy sauce. And this is on high, the heat. Going to use some light olive oil. It has a higher smoking point. Let's see. Light. Yeah, I know, it's probably fake. And okay, the soy sauce. Alrighty, I feel this is all haphazard. So, I have a vegetable blend stir fry, and I also got some sugar snap peas just because I really like those. And then I have some egg rolls to go in the oven to go with it, and that's going to be dinner. Cheap. Hopefully fast and easy. We'll see. And this mix has the water chestnuts, broccoli, bell peppers, some snap peas, green beans, carrots, and that just cooled my pan way down. Those are all stuck together. Do you guys have a spouse that kind of goes on music binges? I'm going to add some more of these snap peas. Spatula. We're just gonna get that going. Oh, I think there's even celery in there. Interesting. Yeah, I do believe that is a celery. Really cooled down my pan. And I'm going to add my rice. Leftover rice is great for fried rice. And if you don't have a rice cooker, they're pretty amazing. Okay. And I bought some serrano peppers. Oh, I have some Thai chilies, as a matter of fact, but they're very hot. I don't know if my husband would like that. Okay. I hear it coming back up to heat. There we go. We're going to fry it up until it gets all hot through and through. And when it's hot through and through, I will add soy sauce, some crushed red peppers, groceries are really going up, you guys. I know that food's been expensive for a while, but I went grocery today and it was pretty scary. So I loaded up on the 5 for $25 meats, and I'm going to be doing canning all weekend. I think I'm going to do some chicken potato curry and can that. If you guys want to see a video for that, let me know if you want to see any of them. I'm going to be doing chicken and broth, beef broth, the chicken and potato curry. I don't know what else. Get my freezer unloaded so I can get it loaded up while meat's affordable. It was a little stressful shopping today. I don't know how lower income families are surviving. I really don't. Because pay raises are not happening. So, very scary. There we go. My stuff separating. I'll be back. I'm going to put my egg rolls in the oven. Okay, what I'm going to do now is some sauce that you can put on your fried rice when you're eating it. And I'm going to use some crushed red pepper. Normally you would use fish sauce. I'm not a fan of fish sauce. I have some, but it's kind of like dirty feet to me. The smell, I can't get it past. So I'm going to use this mushroom soy sauce. I'm going to add that. And I'm just shooting it everywhere. That's what happens when you're in a hurry to make dinner. I got so many things going on. I got my computer over here because I'm working. And then I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze that in there. There we go. And that is done. Stir it up. And we'll just let that sit while the rest of dinner is cooking. Clean up my mess. Excuse me. Spring is sprung, y'all. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken now to the stir fry. I'm going to add the chicken and the soy sauce. This definitely may not make it to the YouTubes. is a lot of food. My husband will eat it for lunch. That's how we do his lunches. You guys have seen how I do his breakfasts. And then his lunches are the night's leftovers from the night before. I want my hair nowhere near the food. Oh, I'm struggling, you guys. Guess I could have used my wok. I could have. Totally could have. Get it all stirred up until all the rice is brown. Things incorporated, and this is basically done. We have our sauce, we have the egg rolls in the oven, I have it all over the stove. Okay, so I'm going to peel some cucumber and get some green onion. Okay, everybody, so this is the finished plate. Got the rice, green onion, some cucumber, my sauce, and an egg roll. So you saw how easy that was. It was literally 10 minutes, as long as it took to heat the egg rolls up in the oven. And if you do the egg rolls, you can freeze them, pop them in the oven, so you can do that whenever you want an egg roll. So if you have any questions, post them down below. I know this is an Americanized version probably, but it will work for us. Thumbs up always helps if you feel inclined. If you haven't subbed, think about doing that. And if you have any questions, post them down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.